He spit it out, y'all. Oh! Oh, you should have seen that. I got it on video. Oh, he came up for it, y'all. Alright, y'all, welcome back, real addicts, to another episode, y'all. It was just one of those days today. Did not have a chance to film this intro because it was just a crazy morning. You guys know I have over 150 videos on there, and this one might top all of them, y'all. What we were using today is some swim baits, some jerk baits. I mean, you will see on this week's episode some mayhem, madness on redfish schools everywhere. We hooked them up, about 30 or 40 reds. Now what we're using, never heard of them, but we're using these swim baits, Scottsboro Tackle Company in Alabama. Great swim baits. Now we also was using some jerk baits, my Frisky Fink King rod. Shout out to you, man, for that rod. I've had it almost 2 years already. It's doing wonders. But there also is a new supporter of the channel, which is Beyond Braid. I've been using it for about 3 months, and I am definitely impressed by it. You guys will see on this episode, I got the 8-strand 50-pound line, and it did its job, y'all. So if it's your first time visiting my channel, help me out, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're in the area, check out Bearded Brothers Fishing. They do charters in this area, and they will get you on fish, as you will see on this episode. So enough talking. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. It's gonna be one of those that you will play back once again. So let's get into it, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look at this madness right here. The birds are diving. Put that swim bait out there. Throw it out there. There it is. There you come. This is
28 feet deep here. So.
No way. On the fly?
On the fly, buddy.
It is something. Look, on the fly, buddy. Yeah, you could throw a damn banana peel out there, Riadic. Oh, baby.
Oh, Jesus. He's going to have me back in before too long.
There you go. There you go.
Yep.
Woo! There we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. Oh. Oh, he spit it out. He spit it out, y'all. Oh! Oh, you should have seen that. I got it on video. Oh, he came up for it, y'all. Yeah. This is just madness, y'all. Madness. Kelly and I.
I'm hooked.
Oh, triple dab again. Triple.
Oh, and he's running. He's running. He's running through the school. I can see him the line bumping the other pool.
There we are, y'all. There we are. Tripled up. Kellen's on the fly. I'm on the swim bait. Mike's on the swim bait.
Actually, I'm on the swim bait with the jig head.
There we are. We're gonna see if we can bring on more. Oh man. Oh man, y'all. I'm gonna leave their information, man. Bearded Brothers Fishing.
Oh, he spit it out?
He spit it out. It's fine, but there's enough fish to go around. I'll show you how to do it, Mike. Don't worry. I'll show you how it's done. I'll show you how it's done. I got you.
How many fish do I have? How many fish do you have?
Look, Mike, wait there. Mike. Oh my God, I just saw him eat it. I just saw him eat it. You just see that, Radix? He just
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a house right there, y'all. That is a house. He's trying to dig down, but not against me, baby.
He's bleeding. Oh, he choked it.
Yeah, he choked it. He just inhaled it. We're gonna have to. I might have to keep this one. He got his guts.
Yep.
Kellen, we're gonna have to keep this one, man.
Well,
He choked it.
Get him on the boat. Get him on the boat.
All right, y'all. We're gonna get him in. Mike's hooked on.
I'm hooked up.
Kellen's hooked on. This is what you call fishing, y'all. We're gonna get this with red fishing. This one we might have to take this one because if you see him, he is bleeding a lot. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my, y'all. Oh man, absolute.
Come on, baby.
Best redfish day I've had.
Ever?
Probably.
Yeah, do we get the ever?
Ever? Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of redfish days I've had, but this one is. Oh! Oh!
Not like the boat.
We're gonna go ahead and release this big boy. We might keep him because he's in his guts. And Kellen's hooked on. Mike's hooked on. We're gonna see if we bring him in. That was pretty. How did it feel, Helen?
Oh, it was fantastic.
On the fly.
Yeah.
Oh, another one. You hear what he's saying, Mike? He said, Bearded Brothers Fishing and hit the subscribe.
Coming at you.
There we go, y'all. Look at that. Double dub. We're gonna go ahead and release them right quick. We're gonna take a picture and let these bad boys go.
Yeah.
We are. We'll see. We'll bring them back. All right, good, y'all. We released them. All right, y'all. You guys asking what we're doing? We're throwing out jerk bait, swim baits, letting it drop to the bottom for these reds this morning, and working our way up, working down the beaches, looking for those pods, looking for those birds diving. If you guys are coming out, and you guys can do this, just make sure you take your time and don't do a lot of mistakes that people do. Is getting the top of the bait, either get in the outskirts or in the back side, and you have a bigger chance. We'll see if we get a few on some more today and wrap it up for y'all. Here we go, y'all. Yo, here we go. We're already here. Look at this. Oh, I see him right there. I see him right there. Let's see if we get him, yo. Oh, right here. Right in front of me. Right here, in front. To the left. 11 o'clock. I'm on. Let's go. Woo! We got a runner, y'all. Oh!
Your turn, Mike.
Hey, come on, Mike. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Let it drop all the way down.
Speed reel in mine.
Yeah, let it drop slowly. There he goes. Kellen's on, y'all. I'm on. Woo! Let her hear him scream. He's a screamer. Woo! There we go, y'all. We're gonna bring him in. Let him run a little bit. You hear it? Nothing like a red on a extremely light gear, y'all. I mean, it just makes it fun. Second big school we find already. Thanks to Bearded Brothers. Y'all check them out. I'm gonna leave their link in the description if you guys want to book a charter with him. Let it drop all the way down. Like slowly, that's what I did, slowly. There you go, y'all. Come on now. Like I told y'all, Bearded Brothers, I'll leave their information if you guys want to book a charter with them, man. here in Alabama, Orange Beach. I mean, they will put you on fish. Right, Kellen? You think you'll put them on fish?
All day.
All day, guys. It is just madness. There goes a red. Double red.
You need to go back?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can't ask for a better morning, y'all.
Oh, 30 ahead.
There we are. Beautiful, beautiful day, y'all. I mean, oh, that's a pulse. Oh, this one's a. Look at this, y'all. Look at this beast.
Cast number 6.
Why does it keep losing the swim baits, though? I don't get it.
Oh, you lost another one?
Why does it keep losing the swim baits, though? Like, I don't understand.
Well, seeing as how I haven't lost one of those swim baits. Well, that's a pretty good one.
Hold on, we gotta get a picture. Hold on. Oh, there we are, y'all. I'm gonna bring this one in. There we are, y'all.
Yeah.
You let him go already?
Yeah. I like to keep fish healthy.
I mean, now I got you. There you go, y'all. Third one already in an hour.
There you go, you're on video up here.
Oh, oh, big boy. Big boy, y'all. Bearded Brothers, y'all. Y'all check them out. They'll put you on fish here in Orange Beach, Alabama. Am I getting the picture right quick? Remember, guys, if you put in any fish back, move around his tail, and there he goes, y'all. There he goes.
I'm on 4.
I hate you guys.
This is my 4th. Swim bait madness.
All right, y'all, they're already on again. I mean, I pulled a Google mistake today. You guys could say, not bringing my swim baits, my tsunami swim baits. But this is my fault. I gotta pay the price. They're hooked on.
What happens when you
Not ready in the morning, y'all. So make sure you guys pack up the night before. You don't want to get caught out here not being ready. Look at those guys, man. You guys are just having it.
yeah, look at that rod.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Am I playing video camera guy today?
Yep. That's what happens when you don't bring Scott for a swim bait.
Oh, we're on, y'all. Triple hooked up. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, he just ran into the boat.
I mean, yeah. Oh.
You absolute
Woo.
beast.
Did you get that?
They're over here.
There we are, y'all. On the light gear, though. This is amazing. On the look at that. Yeah. 2,500, y'all.
15-pound braid.
15-pound braid.
40-pound leader.
Look at that. Oh,
Best fight in the world.
bring them on. Oh, this is a house. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at that, Rag. I mean, if you guys are not subscribed, what are you guys doing? Swim baits today and jerk baits are doing the trick. Whoa. This is a November pumpkin special, y'all. You guys should get wolf.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man. Gotta get him back in the water, y'all. Gotta get him back in the water. We are hooked on, y'all. I mean, we've been here how long, Caden? 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. The sun's barely come up. Oh. And I'm hooked on, y'all. Mike, where's the... You got rid of him?
I got rid of him. He was bleeding.
Woo! I'm fighting this fish on light gear, but this is fun. If you guys seen some of my episodes, you know I catch them on light gears all the time. But today, I guess the swim baits are winning the battle. See, we bring them in, y'all. Man, what a morning, y'all. There he is. What a morning. I gotta get this on video.
Where are they?
There he is.
Behind the boat. Way behind the boat. Yeah, drifting off them.
Come on, buddy, where you going?
Yeah, we're drifting off them.
Where you going, buddy? Look at this beauty, y'all. On the BG 2500, 15-pound leader. Whew.
Bring him over here, Chief. Oh, come here.
You hear him? Oh. Oh. Oh, big boy. Big boy, y'all. Bearded Brothers, y'all. Y'all check them out. They'll put you on fish here in Orange Beach, Alabama. Madness, y'all. Madness here. Get the rod ready. Let's go. Early morning bite. Mike's hooked up again. I'm hooked up.
I gotta knot my fly line, so I better not hook up. I'm screwed.
We're gonna bring him up right here.
There's two right here. Look at this big
Oh, that's a
Look at this big boy.
That's a big bull, y'all. Big bull.
Oh, and there's one right underneath him. Oh, he choked it. He absolutely choked that.
Look, right there, boiling. Look at them, y'all. Right there, boiling. Right there in front of us, boiling. They're boiling.
Are you hooked? We're gonna get. We're gonna get.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, hey.
You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. You're good. Ah. They're right in front of us. Saw a big boil right there. Look, right there.
Yep. Come here. I want you off my line.
We're gonna try.
Holy crap! This thing is.
Right there you go. Right there, Kellen. They're right there. Oh, there's another one next to it too.
I know. Those aren't our fish.
No. We're addicts. Fish everywhere right now.
Come on. Come here, fish.
We're gonna bring this one in and maybe throw back again right now.
Holy crap. You alright?
So y'all, we're gonna bring them in and see if we get one more before we go. Call it a day. All before 10 a.m. Oh my God, look at the slob.
Oh God.
Slob City. Y'all, Slob City. And Kellen's always doing the impossible over there. Show him off right there.
Back up.
Trust me, you're good. You can bend him this way. Oh.
I can't get my hand under him.
Drumming. We're gonna let this one go. Bent the hook, y'all. The size of this slam. Look at this hook. Bent. Look at this redfish right there. There we are, y'all. Look at that. What happens when the reds come through?
Shed a layer here.
Woo. Wow, what a morning. There you go. You guys want to talk about madness? But there you go. Beautiful, beautiful pumpkin red in November, y'all. What a great day to start this morning. We might keep this one. You guys know I keep one for my neighbors. They don't get to fish as much as I do, so here we are, y'all. How's the morning for you?
It's awesome.
How's the morning, Kevin?
Solid.
There we are, y'all, right there. You gonna throw them back?
Yeah.
You want? Oh, I'm gonna tell you to get a picture. Me and Mike are doubled up right now. Kellen, we had to put him on the break right now because we have to put him on the sidelines right now, and he's hooked on.
Hey, we're there you go. And we're tripled up.
Yo, we're triple dub, y'all.
You gotta get on the other side, Aaron. No. Under.
You got it.
I got it. Oh. I didn't even reel it. I just dropped
He just dropped it. This is what we're after, y'all. One of those magical days of fishing. Every fisherman's dream. And Kellen from Bearded Brothers Fishing is putting us on a dream fishing day, y'all. And he's hooked on himself on the fish. Got you. I got you, man. He's tired. Mine's just tired out.
All right, I'm back underneath you. Oh, mine's right there. Holy fuck!
Holy moly, y'all. Holy moly.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez. I'm just giving mine a little break. He's tired out. I'm gonna wait till Kellen. Holy, look at that, y'all. Oh man, look at that. Mine's just hanging around. I'm giving him a lunch break right now. Mine's just tired out. Triple dub like 6 times today. Pumpkin red day, y'all.
This is the biggest red
You've ever caught? There you go, breaking PBs today.
I'm in like 2 seconds.
Oh, there you go. He's pumping. He is pumping, y'all.
Get him back in.
Look at that.
The swim bait's right over there.
Here, Kellen, hold the camera right there. Yep. Oh, on the jerk bait? Ah. All right. All right, y'all, we're gonna bring him in. Oh. I think we're gonna peep Mike's PB today.
Oh, come here. Come here.
I'm gonna bring mine in.
Come back here.
Oh my God. Oh, that is a hole.
Grab by the belly.
Look at this one, y'all.
Oh, come here. Yep. Right under the belly.
Oh, oh my. Yeah, I think this might be the biggest of the day. We gotta measure that one up.
Yeah, that one's stud.
I gotta throw the bail on this though.
I mean, guys, this is one of those days that we all dream about. Y'all dream about. If you guys ever been fishing and wanted to have a day like this, this is the day. I could barely sleep last night thinking that I was gonna get on fish like this.
That's a stud.
Oh. I got it. We're gonna bring them in. I like to grab my the sides. There we are, y'all. There we are. Just like that, easy today. It's a beautiful morning. We're going in 2 hours, over 30 fish, 20 fish, I don't know at this point. It's been one of those days. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Really helps the channel grow, y'all. And check out Bearded Brothers Fishing on Instagram. On the fly, baby! On the fly! Tripled up again! Tripled up again, y'all. It's just a beautiful day, y'all. I mean, this might be one of my best episodes ever yet, guys.
That guy's hooked up over there too.
Everybody around us, he's hooked up. The other boat's hooked up. Mike's bringing this hog in. Might bring another PB, he said.
Oh, he came off. Oh, there he's going.
Oh! Oh! Big school! Big school!
He's going after it.
Big school!
Oh, look at that color.
Oh my God, that's a beautiful red.
Color.
Just look at that, y'all. Boom.
Oh, coming behind you.
I got you, I got you, I got you. It's madness, y'all.
He does not want to quit.
Yeah, he's a...
There's another one.
Another one behind it, Kellen. Under the boat, Kellen. Coming your way.
Oh yeah. There's about 15.
15 right there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. How many reds are there around us?
Okay.
That's another PB of yours?
This has gotta be. There's one chasing it.
Yeah, there we go, Radix. There we go. Woo! He knows it. He know. You got him? You got him on the fly? Yeah. Tripled up, y'all. He lost it. Oh man, this is a big boy. Oh, he's fighting, y'all. He's fighting. He's digging down. Oh, come on, buddy. Look at that. Jeez. Oh, he's digging. He's digging, y'all. He is digging. He's giving it his all. He's trying to get away. We were gonna call it a day, y'all. Mike said, come on, we ain't going home yet.
Everything wanted a cheeseburger.
I wanted a cheeseburger, y'all. I had no dinner yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
There he is, y'all. We're gonna get him in, and then yeah, they're still running behind us. They're just everywhere, y'all, today. We're gonna, oh, look at the size of this thing. The spots, look at the spots on this one. Here we go, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Drumming. Just a beautiful day to be here.
I don't see him anymore.
You still on them, Kellen?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and release this beautiful red. I wanted to take a picture with him, but they're all around us, so there we go. Remember, work him around. There he goes. There you go, man. On the fly, y'all. This is when you know you're having a good day of fishing, when you can just throw a fly out there and just get on fish.
Oh, baby.
Bring him in there. Bring him in there.
Come
On the fly rod.
Come on.
Oh.
Thanks, man. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it's another thing grabbing them on the reel and fishing reel, but it's another thing grabbing them on the fly rod.
Oh, there he is.
There he is on the fly. Another one bites the dust. Number, I don't even know. 30, something like that. 40. We wouldn't even know, Radix. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy morning. You should take a picture with a fly rod on it. Oh my god. You should, man.
Oh yeah, dude. I'll take that.
Got it. Yep. Oh. Yeah, buddy.
Oh baby. Oh, let me get a picture of that. We're gonna go and release some Radix, but first we want to take a nice picture.
Here you go. Hold on. Oh god.
Smile. He said I'm not smiling at all.
No, that's my smile.
Ready?
There you are, y'all.
All right. All right. Where's my fly?
Oh, he inhaled it. He inhaled it, y'all. We're gonna go and release him.
Oh man, I might not be getting that fly back.
Yeah, he definitely inhaled it.
Yep.
We're gonna go ahead and release him safely. Here we are, y'all.
Are you on?
Yeah. No. And the bottom, hit the bottom?
No, I mean, are you on?
Oh no, no. There you go, Mike. Bring him in, Mike. Bring him in.
Oh, you fucker.
He hit it?
My pass.
Show him whose balls, Mike.
Just getting on the bottom.
There you go, Mike. There you go, Mike.
Because if Kellen hooks up on a fly rod, you're going to want to have that.
I'm trying. It's gonna take some effort.
Hey.
I have to be ready, and we have to be right on them.
We were.
There you go, Mike.
Color.
There you go, Mike.
He's over there by
There you go, Mike.
He's
Bring
over
him
there by
in.
you.
There you go, Mike. Look at, show him off, baby. Show him off. We keep losing connections, y'all. We keep losing connections. I apologize.
Yeah.
There you go, Mike. This is all about right here. It's all about fishing right here. All about fishing, y'all. And Kellen is trying to do something crazy. Hook up on a fly. Oh, look at that host, y'all. Another one. Another one this morning bites the dust.
Oh, he's running the wrong way.
Come on, Mike. There you go. Walk him around. Walk him around. I got you. Walk him around. You got
Over
him.
here. He's over here.
There you go.
He's good.
There you go, Mike.
Come on.
Beautiful red, y'all.
Come on up, big boy.
How's the, oh,
He went under the boat.
release the line, release the line. Just all you gotta do is release the line. Just release the line.
The trolling motor. I mean the engine.
There.
I think we're good.
There, yeah, you're good. You good? You got him?
Yeah.
Remember, when it goes under the engine, just release the line, it usually runs out.
I got it.
There you go, Mike. You got him. Make it look easy. Nice little workout, huh?
Yeah.
On the light gear, y'all.
There he is. Come on.
Oh, baby, look at it. Bring him in. Oh. Big pumpkin red special this November.
Beast.
He's tired out. Oh my gosh. We're getting to the we're getting to the 20 count before breakfast. Ah, let's go.
The fun doesn't end.
Hey, they're everywhere, man. They're just everywhere this morning.
Yeah. All right. Woo.
Y'all hit that subscribe button if you haven't checked out the channel. Go check out Bearded Brothers. And there he goes. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this episode. It's one of the most epic days I've had. So close to the beach. We moved around everywhere today. Hit the piers, hit the beach, hit the backside. I mean, just make sure you guys follow the birds. Take your time fishing. And like I always tell you guys, get out there, go fishing safely. We'll see you guys next week.